Lucas Nagata Florencio da Silva.
Drama
You clench your
Italian.
fist, she gives you a hug. Tell you she loves you, but you've been drinking too much. Tell you she loves you, but you've been drinking too much.
Lucas Nagata Florencio da Silva.
Take it to the point where she can't get up. And it makes you feel sick, it breaks your heart. 'Cause you never meant for it to go this far. Plus you got a kid who has to live with the scars and can only see you whenever there's bars. I need a medic, yeah. I need a medic. Give me a medic, yeah. Call me a medic.